apples. Do you know Twilight? Yep. It's you. Yeah, I thought so it is. Applejack Rainbow! Be the mommy. Applejack and Rainbow. Mommy, you're funny.
Hi.
This is my fan. Say hello, Applejack and Rainbow. Hey!
Hi, Pinkie Pie.
Applejack Rainbow, say hello to my YouTube fans.
Hello, YouTube fans. Hello.
Turn around. I look at them.
What do you got here in the box?
Twilight Sparkle, her. We got Twilight in the box, her.
We're going to open that?
Yes, it's Twilight.
I'm so excited.
It's double.
We are going to do it.
Yes.
Let's do it.
You're tiny pony, so you can open it. Rainbow can open it for us.
Okay. I'm going to open the box with my power.
Do your supersonic rainbow to open it, and your supersonic black.
Yes, I will.
Good job, Rainbow. You're doing your supersonic black. Go, Rainbow! Is it me?
Let's see.
It's me! It's actually me! It's me inside the box.
Wow.
What am I doing?
Look at that.
I'm actually inside that box.
It's so big.